Hey, curious minds, ready to turn your questions into knowledge? Let's dive in.
Storage bins instantly organize your fridge by grouping similar items, making everything easy to find. This cuts clutter, prevents spills, and keeps fruits, veggies, dairy, and snacks separate. With bins, cleanup is faster and meal prep is smoother. A simple switch like this brings big efficiency to your fridge, fast.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.